something from concept and making it into a concrete physical object. Or maybe you really enjoy computer technology and coding. Do you also have an eye for detail? You should consider joining Pico as a CNC Machinist. But to understand what a machinist does, let's actually talk to one of our highly skilled CNC machinists. Hey Tyler, what are you working on today?
Well, today I'm working on finish shop for these parts. They just came back from heat treat, so now I gotta set up the fixtures to finish them out.
That's a lot.
It's a lot of work, yeah. I had to put the tombstones on, and next is the fixtures, so a lot of work.
So, what brought you to Pico?
What brought me to Pico, it had to be the opportunities here, that this place actually presented itself to me.
Okay.
In the interview, they told me, you want to run this machine, we'll give you a path to run this machine. If you want to go into inspection, we'll give you a path to inspection. You want programming, we'll give you a path to programming. Just everything you want, this shop will lay you a path to get there.
That's true. I had a similar experience. Like, hey, what do you want to do? This path and that path.
Yeah.
And it seems like because we're in so many different industries, you're never really working on the same thing.
No, it's always changing. You're always learning. Technology's always advancing. You're never bored. You're always learning.
Yeah. Is that what keeps you here?
Yeah, pretty much. The work is really interesting. Yeah. It's always changing, and it's ever expanding.
Right.
Opportunities and everything.
You always see something new and get to participate in something different.
Yeah. Most of the people here are great. It's like working with your friends and family.
That's true.
Can't ask for anything more.
It's true. We do have a lot of family people that work here also.
Yeah, that's true. Yeah.
All right. Thank you, Tyler. It's an exciting time in American manufacturing. At Pico, we're part of that innovation in many different industries, and we think you should join us and turn your passion into a career.